So a quick one for developers, builders, designers, if you're not up to speed with the new Part L. Obviously, new Part L, reg changes, we generally are now building 150mm cavities, but you can still build 100mm cavity if you use PIR insulation. Now, normal specs for this that I've seen will specify 90mm PIR board, Celotex, Kingspan, etc., but you must leave a 10mm residual cavity, which gives you your 100mm cavity in the wall. Now, what we're actually finding on site is that the cheaper manufacturers, and even some of the more well-known manufacturers, that the actual PIR boards are coming out at 97mm, 95mm, 93mm, which is encroaching on your 10mm cavity. So, bit of advice, if you're going to use 100mm cavity and you're going to use PIR board, please build 110mm cavity. That way you will always get your insulation into your cavity and tick the box for building control to approve it.